Aloha, I'm Darren Olson, Generational Master Beekeeper, and no, I'm not tricking you. That's not background noise, that's a honeybee hive, but it is something that has taken a liking to what honeybees do. This is a 3D printer, and many people have seen these, and many people have likened it to how honeybees work with beeswax. That honeybees build layer upon layer of wax that they form themselves from their bodies in order to make beeswax comb for their hives. Just like honeybees, the people that have made 3D printers decided to go layer by layer in order to print something that is a 3D object. Some of those objects use a 6-sided hexagon symbol in order to not fill up an area. Honeybees discovered thousands upon thousands of years ago the strongest structure in order to hold weight. And we human beings have stolen that 6-sided hexagon structure format in order to make construction the most sturdy. And we use it also in our 3D printing technology. Honeybees are the original coders in that they are teaching us in technology now more things, and they have ancient knowledge that we value and learn from. Mahalo nui loa. Thank you so very much.